Hey fam, it's Linda Word, and I am coming on with the install of my raw Indonesian hair. Let me tell you, this hair looks awesome. I was so impressed with how this hair looked. I did some big barrel curls on it and then I pinned it up and I might have just kind of set it to the side for about 4 or 5 hours. Then I went back to it to go ahead and install it. But these curls are so juicy and good looking. I'm just totally in love with this unit. But y'all see how it looks and tell me what you think. But yeah, I am really impressed. Never had this type of hair before, and I don't even know what to compare it with, other than that the strands just look kind of thicker than Indian hair. But anyway, here it is. Enjoy.
I tell you, there was a man came to a blues show the other day. He was so happy. I said, man, why you so happy? He said, well, Jody got my problems. I said, what you mean? And these are the words he said right here. Not too long ago, I did a blues show, and there was a man there I never seen before. He looked at me and said he was glad to be there. Said he had a story he said he needed to share. Said he used to be the man in his house till Jody came in the picture and he got put out. Jody got my woman. Well, that's what he said, and Jody got my problems. He just smiled and said Jody got my woman. Yeah, and then they know that Jody got my problems. Sometimes he came home from his job real late, and just like the police, she would investigate. He tried to explain, but before he could tell, she'd tell him drop your drawers so that she could smell. Said there was then he said this was now. Said he wonder if she knowing Jody like that if he's staying now. Jody got my woman. Yeah, he just smiled and said Jody got my problems. Yeah, he wasn't mad, y'all. Jody got my woman. Why? 'Cause that ain't all that Jody got my problems. In the times they used to make love, something about her she just couldn't get enough. Any kind of way he used to get it. Said it didn't matter. She said she couldn't feel it. She told him Jody was way bigger than him. Said I hope Jody got a tractor so he can plow your field. Jody got yeah. Oh. Jody got my woman. And that ain't all. He said he got my woman. Well, he just smiled and said he got my woman. And on Friday, when he used to get paid, he gave up his check. She knew just what he made. And if he needed some gas in his tank, she'd fill up his truck on the way home from the bank. She'd go through his pockets when he went to bed. If she do Jody like that, he might just bust her head. Jody got my woman. Yeah, if that ain't all that Jody got my woman. Said he wasn't mad. Jody got my woman. Why? Because he said that Jody got my woman. One more thing. Just the other day, he got a phone call. There was a number there with no name at all. There was a man there, he was trying to apologize for what he done to him and for wrecking his life. He said, hey, this Jody. He said, yeah, that's me. He said, you can have your woman back, 'cause I'm about to leave. Jody got my woman. Yeah, he just smiled and said Jody got my woman. After everything, he just was happy, y'all. Jody got my woman. Why? Because he said that Jody got my woman. Now, hell, he told Jody before he got him off the phone. Thank you, Jody. I just want to thank you. Thank you, Jody. Before you came, I He may talk about the good food. Yeah, yeah, yeah. But understand, oh Lord, from the waist down, He, I know He is still loving me. Yeah, yeah. From the waist down, He, yes He is still loving. Can I take my time? Some say that money is the root of all evil. Some say it's women, or maybe other people. Truth of the matter, it's the same as back then. Only way you're gonna make it, y'all, you better use common sense. Friend of mine called me, saying come to my church. He was bragging on his preacher there, acting like he's walking on air. Then I said, just because he's preaching, don't mean he ain't creeping. And just because he's married, don't mean he ain't cheating. He may talk about the good food, still you better understand. From the waist down, He, I know He is still loving me. From His waist down, He, I know He is still loving. Let me tell you what I saw now. While we were walking across the parking lot, preacher rolled up in his $100,000 car. He had some bodyguards with him, so you couldn't shake his hand. And if your tire's not paid up, then you can't talk to that man.